sound. That's how it's supposed to sound. Oh yeah, shit. That's a big difference.
I'm doing the SPL build next.
Oh yeah. Oh. Let me leave it open. Sheesh.
My girlfriend. All white bricks.
Painful now. It's getting a lot more hotter in this bitch. Those are neons though, right? They're neons though, right? They're neons. Cool down real quick. Oh shit. Ah damn. Fucking focus. '18s. There's two 18s in there.
Two, right? I knew I wasn't tripping. It's two, right?
There's two in there, there's four in there.
Four in them?
And there's four 15s in there.
4 18s, 4 15s?
Yeah.
18. I almost knocked one of my dreads off.
This type shit. It'll blow air, because, you know, dreads is heavy. If you can move some dread hair. I'm in construction. Usually my shit is here, but my shit's in the works. That thing on the floor. Not Monty Barlow. Catfish. Where these niggas go? $2 though. That thing sitting. Come on. What you got? Ooh. It's clean. We'll say this is just a 550i twin turbo. This is nothing major. Nigga, a month ago, motherfucker, you better have some plates on this bitch.
Oh, yeah, I got plates on this bitch.
Both of y'all. Y'all be Matt Benz and Beamers and shit. I ain't no damn plate on this bitch. And that motherfucking DMV is not right now. I tried to. Oh, yeah. You ain't small this bitch yet neither, huh? What was that noise?
Tuna.
Small nigga.
Major tune-up. That's what I need done. Tomorrow I'm finna change a radiator hose.
No, that's my guy. He do all my mechanical work. And
He's a mechanic too?
He work at Meineke.
I need your number.
He work at Meineke.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. I need your number, bro.
And he work outside of work, so if you get...
Yeah, I need the outside of work.
Yeah, and his mama got a Beamer too, so he should know what he doing.
I need a tune-up so bad.
Yeah, I heard that little start you did, that wasn't it. Hey, what we doing about this donut over here though? What's this? What's this? This ain't right. This your Benz? This is. You can't put a donut on the Benz, man. What we doing? What we doing?
Let me tell you, right? I motherfucking
What?
had the wrong turn.
What we doing?
Made a wrong turn, baby. And then I had to ride 2 miles. Get that put on.
So your ass probably need an alignment.
Out here bad, baby.
This nigga on the money line.
Hey, look. See, gotta do what you gotta do.
The money lines though. It's my favorite crossover being the MLs and money line bet. I stole my auntie. Let me get off of man. Good. Good. With the Camaro bag. Man. That's a bad dude. Red is red. That 400Z. It's my first time seeing it in person. Oh, you seen it too? It's my first time seeing it in person. I was like,
Is that right?
Is this yours?
Yeah.
This yours?
Yeah, it's the first time I've seen a Z in person.
No, this 400. Or it's a 400Z, right?
No, just a Z, but it's called a Z Performance.
It's the new, it ain't the 370, it ain't the 350. This is the...
No, the new one is a Z. They just call it a Z.
Is it a turbo or just NA?
Yeah, twin turbo.
Oh, it's twin on the
like
3.7?
400 horsepower.
Is it the 3.7 or the 3.5?
Don't give me the line. I just know it's a twin turbo.
That's a
Might be
V6 still.
3.7 liter. Yeah, but it's fast though. I just got it tonight, man.
Oh yeah? You came straight to the
car.
straight to the car beat. That's crazy.
Absolutely, man.
Yeah, I feel it. It's nice
right,
though.
brother.
I like the mustard.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. Dayton's. Cleo Menza. Damn, I ain't see this smart car on fucking dirts. Where they do this? This is yours? This is cute as fuck. Hey, y'all be in the dirt, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm so scared of these. Ever since I seen the guy that put the Hayabusa motor in one of these, have you seen that?
That's crazy.
Terrified, because if you hit anything, it's a wrap. How fast does it go?
He put a turbo in it, so he drives about 80, 90 miles.
Turbo smart. That's crazy. With the convertible. Boom tomato, boom tomato, boom tomato. Buggy. Lay it down. Too late. I had 212s for sale and everything. This. Jelly!
Substance on some for y'all. The flame is I inhale. The dragon just
I don't care. The wheels is the hardest thing on there. Too loud too. $15,000. I had to get it. Looking real good. The glass house. Vicious. T-top. Oh, this motherfucking sunroof. Wait a minute. Is this a Caprice? It was giving Caprice. I don't know. Is this an Impala or a Caprice? I like it though. Jelly need the peanut butter good. So we need to take a walk. I'll show y'all what really be out here. It's about a 31. Big Chevy. Is it a Chevy? International. Get out of here. Man. Chromed out. Nice shit out here. Bel Air. Man. Good. Boy, who is this? This yours?
Yes, sir.
Boy,
Thank you, brother. Thank
you
you.
did that.
Coming along, she's coming along.
Ooh. Look like Rick Ross out here. Big ass steering wheel, all original. I ain't got it. That's that thing, ain't it? That's that.